this is Cassie. Today in this video, I will show you how to apply sublimation HTV vinyl on our cotton made shoes. So here it is a white cotton made shirts. As we know, sublimation can be directly applied on polyester material. But in our life, we have many cotton-made fabric like our t-shirts, and we want to also DIY our cotton-made shirts. So we develop our sublimation HTV vinyl, and it is designed to solve the problem of sublimation on cotton materials. And we have two styles available. So the difference is that this green one is the glossy HTV vinyl, and this one is matte. So how it turns out, you can see from this. So this image we print on the glossy HTV vinyl, and this one is on the matte HTV vinyl. So you can see the difference and choose the effect you like. And in today's video, we will show you the process step by step, and how to sublimate our cotton-made shirts with the HTV vinyl. And I also want to tell you that our sublimation HTV vinyl can transfer image very vividly and bright, so you can see. And also it is washable. So after sublimation your cotton-made shirts, you can wash them repeatedly, and also it will be durable and non-lasting. So the step one is to print your design on the sublimation paper. So we have already prepared the sublimation paper. And then step two, we need to cut the sublimation HTV vinyl according to our design and the size. If you have the machine, you can also use the machine to cut. So we have cut the design and the HTV vinyl. And step three, we will sublimate, we will press the HTV vinyl on our cotton-made shirts. So please remember, the glossy PET film will on the top side. And we will use 150 Celsius degrees and for 10 to 15 seconds. Cool down for a few seconds, we can remove the clear PET film. Okay, then we need to press the sublimation paper on the HTV vinyl. is 190 Celsius degrees and for 40 to 50 seconds. So we also need to wait to cool down for a few seconds. So you can check this is the printing effect on our sublimation HTV vinyl, and so with this we can also DIY our cotton-made shirts.